Chinese AI startups are opting for GeForce RTX 4090 GPUs as Nvidia H20 accelerators offer poor value. Nvidia's H20 accelerators are only viable for larger data centers in China. Domestic AI startups still find GeForce RTX 4090 gaming GPU as a better value. The AI demands keep increasing, but as the Chinese market suffers from the ban on the supply of Nvidia top AI chips, many are forced for alternatives. It is reported that many startups in China are opting for Nvidia's flagship gaming GPU, the GeForce 4090, instead of H20. Since US sanctions on China have banned Nvidia from selling the top AI GPUs like H100 and H100 in the country, several companies looked for alternatives, even though Nvidia did offer the H20 AI GPU, which started its mass production in Q2 2024. The GPU did not attract the Chinese market as thought. The H20 is a cut-down H100 variant offering 296 SXM TF16 flops of theoretical performance compared to the 1979 SXM TF16 flops of H100. However, not only in the H22 significantly nerfed in the performance, but it does not provide any advantage in the power efficiency department. Unlike the 4090, the H22 is far more expensive for the performance it brings to the table. This is why a lot of small companies have started utilizing the RTX 4090, which also has a great availability despite the gaming graphics card being banned in the region. It is mentioned that despite the ban, startups are easily able to get several RTX 4090 for their needs. Even Nvidia RTX 4090D, a China exclusive variant, has better value than the H20 accelerator. These GPUs are also being equipped with double the memory to sustain the large language model. Currently, the Nvidia H20 accelerator sits at around 1.3 RMB, with its main demand in well-established companies like Alibaba, Tencent, Baidu, and Byte. As per another company, the RTX 4090 is the first choice of their customer, and they will be aiming to install 100 more RTX 4090 this month. Holy! Another entrepreneur said that his company was previously renting the A100 and H100 through cloud service, but the local machines still utilizes the V100 and RTX 3090 graphics card. It has been around 1.5 years since the US government banned the sales of Nvidia top-tier AI chips such as A100 and 800 and the Hopper One H100 and H800 GPU in China. Some of these GPUs still find their way through the black market, but due to poor availability and high pricing, not many companies, especially startups, can get their hand on these GPUs for their system. It is not the first time that Chinese AI companies have started using RTX 4090 in place of AI GPU, but since Nvidia H20 did not enter the market till earlier this year, and there was no other alternative until we see newer and better AI GPU from Nvidia or its rival, most startups will stick to the gaming GPU instead. With that said, Nvidia is still expected to make billions of dollars in total revenue from H20 accelerators since they are sold in several thousand units quantity to large data center customers, whereas the smaller AI startups hardly go above 100 units.